Ladies and gentlemen, we are exploring generative AI. Now, if you're unsure as to exactly what generative AI is, you're in the right place. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about it, so let us get in. Generative AI is a branch of artificial intelligence that focuses on creating new content such as images, text, music, and this is all based on patterns and data it has learned. In simple terms, it's like a creative AI that can generate new content on its own. But how does it work? Generative AI works by using neural networks to analyze and learn patterns from existing data. These networks then generate new content by predicting what should come next based on the patterns they have learned. This process allows generative AI to create realistic and novel outputs. Let's have a look at some of the examples. Now, first of all, we've got OpenAI ChatGPT, and this is known for its natural language processing capabilities, and it can generate human-like text based on prompts. Deep Dream is a platform that creates surreal and artistic images by enhancing patterns in existing images. And then we have DALL-E, developed by OpenAI. Again, DALL-E generates images from textual descriptions, creating unique and imaginative visuals. So, what can be some of the disadvantages of actually using generative AI? Well, while generative AI has many benefits, it can come with a potential risk. Misuse of generative AI may include creating fake news or misinformation. It can also create deep fake videos for malicious purposes and producing biased or harmful content based on the data it was trained on. Now, here is an effective guide for you to harness the power of generative AI. So to effectively guide generative AI and ensure it produces the desired outputs, it is crucial to provide accurate and specific prompts, unlike this one here. By giving clear instructions and examples, users can steer generative AI towards generating content that aligns with their intentions and avoid unintended consequences. So, ladies and gentlemen, go ahead, explore generative AI. There are thousands upon thousands of websites, platforms, software that you can go and try. You can generate everything from text, audio, music, visuals such as videos, images. Explore it and harness its capabilities to your advantage. If this was an awesome video, leave us a like. We'll see you next time. Happy creating, people. Bye bye.